안녕하세요. Hello everyone, this is Ann Korea and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to learn how to write and read the basic Korean consonants. And we're going to pair it with the A vowel. Bago tayo magsimula, syempre kunin natin ang ating mga lapis at notebook para makasabay kayo isulat ang mga Korean characters na ating aaralin ngayon. So first character that we're going to study is the vowel A. So how are we going to write the vowel A? It goes like this. 1, 2. It's very simple, guys. Repeat or follow with me. 1, 2, 1, 2. The basic stroke when you write Korean is mula taas, pababa, left, pakanan. So up, top to bottom, left to right, top, left to right. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the sound of this, guys, is simply the A in Tagalog, not the A in English. It's the A. It's the A sound. A. 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 Alright. And the next that we're going to learn is the consonants. So this is the basic vowel, guys. Nating pag-aralan. Basic vowel. The first vowel sound. And let's start with the consonants. So the first consonant is ki, yok. I will not give you the detail really, but it's ki, yok. Ki, yok. So it starts with this character, with this K and this K, and we're going to write it this way. 1, 2. Again, repeat after me. 1, 2, 1, 2. Left to right, top to bottom. Left to right, top to bottom. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ayan. 1. And then how are we going to sound this one, guys? The sound of this is actually in between. Nasa gitna siya ng sound ng G at saka K. So para siyang G, K, 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 K. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, i-prepare natin siya sa A sound. Ayan. So ano bang gagawin? So we're going to do this way. Ouch. Start. G, A, Ga, Ga. Simple. So practice as much as you can. And while writing, produce the sound. Kailangan i-utter natin yung sound na Ga. Next, as we're going to do, guys, is to study the vocabulary that starts with Ga. The first that we have is, of course, Ga, bang, Ga, bang, Ga, bang. This is what we call by bag. Ito ang Korean term ng bag. Ga, bang. Again, repeat after me. 1, 2, 1, 2, ga. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, bang. Ga, bang. Let's just focus first on this one, guys. So, ga, bang. Just remember, this is bang. Ryan bang, bang. Ga, bang. Next, we have ka, we. Ka, we. Again, ka, we. So this is the yung gunting, scissors. Ka, we. Again, one more time. Repeat after me. Ka, we. Next, we're going to have the eggplant. It's actually a vegetable na gustong-gusto din ng mga Korean. So we have ji. Magulo tong ano ko, guys. Gimbal ko. Ayan. So again, this is the eggplant. Ji. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, talagang yung stroke niya. Mas mabilis kasi siya guys pag isulat natin siya sa proper stroke. Mas mabilis. At mas komportable ang ating mga kamay. And last word that we're going to learn is kaul. Ano nga ba yung kaul, guys? That's actually the autumn. It's my favorite season. Or fall. One more time. And guys, repeat after me. Kabang, kawi, kaji, kaul. So that is all about the first consonant, ki, yok, which sounds k. And before we end this ka lesson, we're going to learn one sentence. And that is, I love autumn. Paano nga ba natin yan sabihin in Korean? Guys, I love autumn. So, actually yung love sa Korean is saranghe. Yo. So, we say love, that is sarang. Pero hindi natin siya sasabihin na na는 가을을 사랑해. Usually, gagamitin lang ang sarang sa tao. Gagamitin lang ang love. So, instead of love in English, gagamitin nila ang term na like, which is 좋아해. So, this is how we're going to write it in Korean. 나는 가을을 좋아해요. Ayan guys, read with me. 나는 가을을 좋아해요. 나는 가을을 좋아해요. Dadalhin natin tong R. Mangyayari nito guys is i-eliminate natin tong silent sound at saka i-carry natin tong para siyang denominator guys, ano? Natawag natin siyang batsim. Ayan. So mangyayari niyan is magiging siyang 가을을 나는 가을을 좋아해요. So that means I love autumn. Oh, what happened? May napansin ba kayo guys? So this is now what is love. And autumn is here. Nandito ang autumn. Baliktad ano? And then, nandito ang I. Ayan guys. So, ito ang pinaka-crucial part na nakakalito. Kaya yung mga Korean din, nahihirapan silang mag-compose ng English. Kasi baliktad. Para siyang Japanese guys. Yung sentence formation, sentence structure is baliktad. Yung verb nila talaga guys, usually, nasa dulo talaga siya ng sentence. Kaya, nangyayari is, 나는 가을. So, yung object or yung subject ay nasa gitna. 나는 가을을 좋아해요. I love autumn. Ayan guys, I hope meron kayong natutunan sa ating lesson about ka. And see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.